Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we are going to talk about page orientations. Okay, it falls under the modifying page layout tab or modifying page layout topic. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So dear students, you can observe here, this is Microsoft Word document, and I think you know how to open the Word document. It's very simple, just go to the start button, okay, and in all programs, right, in all programs you have to go to the Microsoft Office and you have to click the Microsoft Word, Office Word 2007, this option, correct? All right, so right, so let's see what we are going to see. Here page orientation, there are two page orientations or two types of page orientations as follows. The first type is portrait, right? And what does it mean by portrait? In portrait orientation, in portrait page orientation, the height is longer than the width. Okay, height is longer than the width, remember this. And in landscape mode, the width is longer than the height. Okay, remember only these 2 points. Portrait, height is longer than width. Landscape, width is longer than height. Fine. So how to change the page orientation? First of all, I'll show you the portrait and landscape mode, how it looks. So see student, here you can see this is the height, right? This entire area from, I'll show you, wait a minute. See this particular thing from here to wait, okay, the area running from this point to this point is the width of the page, and from top side to the bottom side it is the, see, till the bottom it is the height. Now here students, you can clearly see that the wideness is less and height is more. So this mode is portrait mode. You can see here in page layout tab, under the orientation tab, here is the orientation tab, right? So you have to click it and check, the mode is portrait, and here the width is less and height is more. Check out the landscape mode now. Here in landscape mode, width is more, remember this point, width is more and the height is less. Okay, and just read these steps to change the orientation. Just now we have done this. Click the page layout tab. Here it is page layout tab, I will show you. Here is the page layout tab just behind the notepad, and in page setup group click orientation drop down arrow, right? So where is the page setup? Here is the page setup group, where you can see here the page setup group, correct? Now inside that we have to click the orientation drop down. This drop down you have to click and then change the mode as you want. You can change the orientation, portrait or landscape. Understood? Fine. Now what is the activity? Practical activity 2 is portrait orientation for odd page and landscape orientation for even page number. Okay, what does it mean? This is page number 1. Okay, on page number 2 I want which orientation? Landscape. On page number 3 portrait. On page number 4 landscape. On page number 5 portrait, and so on, like that. So this is first page, page number 1, that is odd, so it will be portrait only. How to set the landscape mode for second page? Now I will show you. See here, you have to go to the break option. See here, observe the break option. It's here only. So click here. Okay, simply click, and here page, right? Page option is there, so page. Now automatically your cursor will be on the second page. Now go to the orientation, select landscape. Now wait a minute. So let me set portrait, both will be portrait. Cursor is here now. Cursor is here. Go to the page layout tab under breaks group. Okay, you have to click on next page, not on the page. You have to click on the next page. This option, section breaks, and the first option is next page. Simply click on it. Yes. Now here you can set landscape mode. Now observe, first page is what? It is portrait mode, and second one is landscape mode. Again you have to click on the breaks and select next page. Now here click orientation, portrait. Now observe, first is what? Portrait, and second one landscape, third one is portrait, and fourth one is what? Next page, and then select orientation, landscape, right? So I hope you understood today's activity and the practical session, right? In case of any queries or any doubts, you can contact me at any time. So thank you very much for joining this lesson.